So, cheers guys, today I have an assistant here, thank you very much. And what we're gonna do is, we're gonna find out the weight on the axis of the Vespa. So we put it in the back on a wooden piece, and in the front on a scale. And it has 40. So let's change this. Now we do have in the front the wood. And in the rear, the scale. So what's your guess? How much is it? Can we see it? We can. 70. Okay. So we have 110. Huh? 40 and 70, 100, only 110 kilos? Oh, that's very light. Goes in like butter. It's not a compliment for the shock absorber material. Guess what? It does go in like butter. Oh god. Yeah, that's not really a material you should use for... Look at that. Shit. Look at that. And a shock absorber. Oh my god. Shit happens, doesn't it? So, how does it look in the video when I come here? It does look okay. Let's speed it up then in the video. That's very thin. I would say a clear indicator that it is physically, chemically dead. And that behaves more like oil. It is a unknown name. Shock absorber from
Bist du deppert? Ein Biest!
Sorry, ja.
Bist du deppert? Ist das ein Biest jetzt?